I got 8 other kids. Don't nobody else say anything.
Well, no one should have to ask. You know what kids eat every month, right?
Yeah, that is crazy. That's absurd. So what we gonna do, man? I'm on the road. I'm gonna lose a job.
Quincy, McDaniel, and Swinique Jordan, the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Nutt, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, we're here on an interstate petition to establish paternity. There's a partial agreement that I'll read out into the record. The parties agree that Mr. Quincy McDaniel is the biological father of the child Spencer. They're in agreement that Mr. McDaniel makes $23 per hour and works 38 hours per week, that he has 7 other children, but that we give him credit for 4 other children that he pays child support for. They're in agreement that Ms. Jordan's going to carry insurance for the child through government coverage, and that Mr. McDaniel will pay medical support of $43 per month. The child support amount and the retroactive child support amount are contested. So the state calls the mother. Ma'am, will you state your name?
Swinique Jordan.
And what's the child's name?
Spencer Jordan.
And how old is Spencer?
He's 4.
And who is his biological father?
Quincy McDaniel.
Is there anyone else that could possibly be his father?
No.
And when Spencer was born or conceived, were you married to anyone?
No.
Are you in agreement today to establish that Mr. McDaniel is his biological father?
Yes.
And Spencer's last name is Jordan. Do you want to leave it as Jordan or change it to McDaniel?
Leave it as Jordan.
Okay. And did you hear those terms I read out into the record that you and Mr. McDaniel agreed to?
Yes.
Are you still in agreement with those terms?
Yes.
Okay. And the state's calculated guideline child support at $431 per month for Mr. McDaniel to pay starting April 1st. Do you agree or disagree with that amount, Ms. Jordan?
Agree.
And are you requesting retroactive child support?
Yes.
And is it correct that Mr. McDaniel has given you $2,000 to help you support the child's needs?
Yes.
Okay. And after applying that credit, we've come to a retroactive child support amount of $18,688 and calculated a monthly payment at $144 a month. Are you in agreement with that amount?
Yes.
And do you believe those terms are in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else you want the court to know about your case?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And just to clarify, since your son was born in September of 2020, did you and Mr. McDaniel ever live together?
No.
Okay. I'll pass the witness. The state calls the father. Sir, will you state your name?
Quincy McDaniel.
And Mr. McDaniel, are you the biological father of the child Spencer?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
And Spencer's last name is Jordan. Do you want to leave it as that or change it to McDaniel?
You can leave it, Jordan.
Okay. Did you hear the terms I read into the record earlier that you and the mother agreed to?
What's that? No, my truck real loud, so I was listening.
Okay. Are you in agreement that you make $23 per hour and that you work 38 hours per week?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay. And is it correct that you have 4 other children that you pay child support for?
Yes.
Okay. And are you in agreement to pay medical support of $43 each month?
Yes.
Okay. And we've calculated guideline child support at $431 each month. Do you agree or disagree to that amount?
Yes. That's like 200 every week, or how they doing it? Or like $100?
How often are you paid?
You get paid weekly.
Okay. About $100 a week.
Plus the all right.
Are you okay with that amount, or do you disagree with it?
I disagree, but it'd be cool. It'd be cool.
Is there a certain amount you're requesting that child support be set at instead?
I mean, I did have other kids I take care of too, so I was just saying, like, I still pay like daycare and all that too.
And since your son Spencer was born, did you and Miss Jordan ever live together?
No, man.
And is it correct that you've sent her about $2,000 to help support your son?
Yes, ma'am.
And so we've calculated retroactive child support judgment after giving you credit of $18,688 to be paid at $144 a month. Do you agree or disagree with that request?
Did 100, so that's gonna be calculating with the child support.
You'd be paying the child support of $431 plus the $144.
So how much that'd be altogether? So like weekly, like if I can see.
Just a second. About $133 a month. I mean, a week, sorry.
So I'll be paying $130 something a week altogether.
Well, let me add in the medical. About 144 a week. Are you in agreement
you
with the
like-
retroactive child support?
Nah, I really ain't. That's crazy.
Okay, do you think it should be a lower amount?
Yeah, I really do.
Or
They
do
go
you
on your
think-
credit, right?
Yes, do you think it should be, do you think you owe any back child support or no?
You think I should owe back child support or no?
Do you think that you should owe any back child support?
Nah, not really.
Okay. I'll pass the witness.
Okay, so I don't understand why you don't agree. I know you don't agree with the amounts, but you the child's been here almost 5 years, and you should have been paying somewhere around $400 a month to help Miss Jordan, and she says you've only given her 2,000. So I'm not understanding why you don't agree, other than you just don't like the number. Can you explain more?
I have other kids. I did more not just like on paper and stuff too, or cash out. That's what I'm saying. So I'm saying like I got 8 other kids. Don't nobody else say anything. I put
didn't-
myself on child support
Sir,
for
I
everything like
didn't, I
this.
didn't make all your kids. We're not here about all your other kids.
No, I'm just saying though,
You're
like
choosing to be you're choosing to be a dad of a whole bunch of kids. That's not really
I mean
relevant
I
to
take
why.
care of them. too,
Excuse
though.
me, sir. It's not relevant to how many kids you have, other than the amount, as far as like they're giving you a reduction because you have other obligations. If you want to choose to have more and more kids, that's up to you. I can't stop you. But the question I'm really trying to get at is, if you know you had a kid with Miss Jordan, then why didn't you give her money regularly?
I did give her money red when she asked. I did.
Well, no one should have to ask. You know, kids eat every month, right?
Yeah, they do.
So what were you giving her regularly?
Whatever she asked for. I didn't have a problem with it.
So if she never asked, you didn't give her any money.
No, I wasn't the case. And my case is like my job is here, but I'm be over the road. So I'm not gonna be staying in Texas. And I drove my truck to Arkansas to the child support lady last week to turn myself in to her.
That doesn't matter, sir. Has nothing to do with whether you paid Miss Jordan money or not.
All right. So what we gonna do, man? I'm on the road. I'm gonna lose a job.
Okay, so I'm trying to get information from you because I'm trying to help you out. But if you
I've been on the
don't
road.
have anything more to
I'm on the
explain,
road,
then
brother.
I guess you owe the money. I mean, there's not much else I could do. I'm giving you another bite at the apple to tell me why you don't owe $18,688.
Yeah, that is crazy. That's absurd.
Okay, so my question the
18,000.
third time is, what money did you give Miss Jordan?
I gave her plenty of money. That's not even probably not even 18,000 worth.
How much did you give him?
Ain't nobody in the world. I raised my son. He didn't use 18,000 in 4 years. No way.
Okay. All right, then. I guess we're not getting anywhere here. All right, so I'm making an order. We're approving the parts you agreed to. Child support set at $431 a month. Retroactive judgment of $18,688, payable at $144 a month. Court causes bill to Mr. McDaniel. The Attorney General's office will draft an order and email y'all a copy. You're done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.